This is about the time a federal judge literally threw the book at my client. So here's what happened. I had a client. He was arrested because he was engaging in sexual activity with another man, which is not a crime. But when you do it in a public park, in a public place, it is a crime. And his story was, gee, I stopped at the park because I really had to go to the bathroom. I had to answer nature's call. And so I stopped. I was doing that. I took out my privates. And all of a sudden, just out of nowhere, some guy came and he just clamped onto me like a moray eel. And at that very second, a cop jumps out of the bushes and says, "You're under arrest, both of you." And that was his story. That's what he told his wife. That was his story. Well, I said to him, you know, that story might not be successful with a jury or a judge. You might want to just keep that one to yourself. So, because of the facts, I negotiated the case for the best resolution I could for him, which involved him pleading guilty to a case where he would have less serious consequences. Now, when you go to court, judges want to know, are there sufficient facts to support whether or not a person is guilty? So the judge asked me, and I said, he was in a public park, he was engaging in sexual activity in a public place, he got arrested. Then the judge says to my client, is there anything you want to say? Of course, I'm going, but my client, and I told him, don't say anything, just be quiet. But my client didn't want to listen. If you've ever seen one of those slow motion train wrecks, that's kind of what happened here. Client stood up and says, I was just stopping to use the restroom. And, well, and he told that story. The judge pauses for a second, looks at him, he takes his law book, throws it at the guy, and he says, we're for trial. Client looks at me, and he says, is that bad? I said, a federal judge just threw the book at you. He literally threw the book at you. Yes, that is bad. Well, I eventually got the case back on track and rescued him as much as I could under the circumstances. So what's the moral of the story? Well, the moral is that if your story is one that's just not going to fly, don't share that. Just try to resolve the case in another way. And please, listen to your lawyer's advice. You hire them for a reason. At any rate, I certainly hope that you're not in any kind of a legal jam, but if you are here in North Alabama and you want the help of Siegel & Siegel, just give us a call. Our phone number's below. Hope you enjoy this video. If you did, give us the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more, and if you want to share it, that's great for us. Thanks again for watching.